Welcome to TechLeopard channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change color mode in your Samsung TV. So at first go to your TV home screen and then go to left. From here scroll down and open up your TV settings and then go to all settings option. After that scroll down and go to general and privacy. From here go to accessibility and then scroll down, and here you can see color modes option. Then just open the settings. It will choose color filter to help you see things on the screen more clearly, and that's it. Now here you can see so many options and you can choose any color mode as you want. If I select it and it's done, you can see the color mode has been changed successfully. Also, if you want to disable your color mode, just open the settings again, then you have to select off option from here, and that's it. And that is how you can change color mode in your Samsung TV. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.